Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I'm bringing to you another video on how I wax my facial hair. In this video, I'll be removing hair from my upper lip. That is one of the most sensitive part of the body, and from my chin area. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll go ahead and melt my wax. I got this wax from Amazon. It's Italian made, and I must say is the best hard wax I have ever used, hands down. So as you can see, it's melted and I like the consistency, so I will just pause the heater. So I need to start on a clean skin, so I'll start by disinfecting my face. Afterwards, I'll just come in with the melted wax. I'll just put it on my chin area. You don't need to put it in any specific direction. After it hardens up, I'll just go ahead and strip it off. I must tell you, this is so painless. Now I would like to do it in the opposite direction as well to make sure I get all the hairs on my chin area. So now that we're done with the chin area, I'll just go ahead and get rid of the hairs on my upper lip area. And I must say, stripping off the wax on my upper lip area hurt just a little bit. So I'm all done and I'll just come in with an after wax solution. Finally, I like to come in with a very natural oil. Here I'm using some coffee oil. And I'm all done. This is how I get rid of my facial hair using hard wax. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.